Welcome back to Marcio's Corner channel. Today, I'm presenting my last project, scanning at Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco, California. I'm scanning this monument where I will be showing all the workflow from the scanning to printing the entire part, and then I will show also the printing result by the end of this video. Stay with me and I will be talking a little bit about this amazing project. Here's the result inside of Artec Studio. I'm using Artec Leo, traveling with the Artec backpack for the Leo. Here is the mesh result. As you can see, there are a few holes inside that we will need to fix to be able to 3D print this part. This is Geomagic Design X, the best software on the market for reverse engineer. I will convert this mesh file that I did with Artec Leo and Artec Studio. I will convert in a CAD file, fix all the inside holes that were impossible to scan since there is no place for me to place the scanner inside of the part. I need to fix that and have a watertight model to be able to 3D print this monument. Now I'm extracting a few regions. That's basically the workflow that I will do for this entire part. Have a few common regions, extract all the information that I need, be easy to select the areas that I want to use. I will do just one side to show for you guys the capabilities of the software. And if you have more interest, you have my contact information. You can text me, you can mail me, and I'll be more than happy to provide you with a demonstration or show how I did the rest of this monument. With the region set up, I can click easily in one area and then work on that specific area. That's what I will do for this side. It's a very organic part, and I'm extracting the information. That's the reason that we're using DesignX. It's very good software to work with organic shapes. And then, as you can see now, I'm doing some loft here using a loft wizard. The software will do everything for me, makes my life very easy. I just place some number of sections and the resolution that I want, if I want more smooth or more sharp. And then you will see here in this video the result. A first surface, that will be a NURB surface that I will be using to create the rest of this wall for now. But I did basically all this strategy for the entire part. But I will give an offset, then I will create a sketch where I'll be able to extract the contour and the shape of this monument for that side, as you can see here in the video. With that, I will be able to create an extrusion and cut that extrusion with the previous surface that I create and offset. And then we have the real thickness of the part, and we will be able to reproduce that for the other sides, front, the back, using the same strategy. Once again, if you want to know more, you know where to find me. now you are watching a time lapse of the printing that I did on a bamboo X1E red color PLA material in scale. And by the end, the last part will be the real physical part, finished without supports. I need to put a lot of supports to print this part in a nice way, and I'm very happy with the end result. I hope that you enjoy. Feel free to contact me anytime. See you on the next one.